Good morning, Year 7. Welcome to Term 2, Week 1. So up on my screen at the moment is your online learning lesson outline. So what you're going to need to have for today, or our resources that we'll need today, is our Titan workbook, our student workbook, or you can do this on a Google document as well, which will save all of your work, and then the Home Alone Workout PDF for PE. So firstly, make sure you sign into your PDHPE Google Classroom by ticking yes. So for example, for 7S, this will be available on only Mondays and Thursdays because that's when you have PDHPE. And for 7E, Wednesday and Friday. So firstly, I need you to go to page 3 on your Titan workbook and complete the definition. So if I move that down and get the resource up, should look something like this. So you add in your definition. So for example, of communication, exchanging of information by speaking, writing, or using some other medium. Talking is an effective means of communication. So that is one example there. You'll obviously need to do that for the other 9 words placed in your vocabulary list. What I need you to do next is to read page 7 in your Titan workbook and then complete questions 8 and 9. So go down to questions or to page 7, read through managing relationships, maintaining strong relationships. Then from here on out, you'll need to read developing independence. And with this activity here, you need to map a timeline of your independence. So I've made a few examples here where we have life events. You assort those life events and place them either into childhood, adolescence, when you're a teenager, or into adulthood. You're going to have to come up with some own examples or some of your own examples to fill in all of childhood, adolescence, and adulthood. Once you've completed that, you'll need to read information on page 12 in your Titan handbook. Watch the video stimulus and answer the questions. This information will also help with our newspaper article. So you'll go down, you'll read what a great friendship is, and we've done some of this in the Big R already in term 1. You'll go down, click on the video. It gives you 10 different types or 10 attributes of a healthy and great friendship. So some of those answers in those videos can obviously help here, where you can place your answers in here. Complete question number 2. And then lastly, our last activity for today, Year 7 is writing an advertisement for the personal section of the newspaper, seeking your perfect friend. So we have an example here of a 13-year-old male seeking the perfect friend. Location could be obviously Fairy Meadow, New South Wales. Description, if you have the following characteristics. So for example, if Mr. Browker, instead of loves fishing, maybe loves boxing, loves working out. Instead of listening to rock music, maybe listens to disco. Enjoy watching sports. That is one that I could use as well, but maybe you could be more specific here. So maybe watching UFC, could be watching soccer. Hope these examples helped. If you have any questions, just make sure you ask your teacher on the Google Classroom, and we'll do our best to help you.